Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. It is T-minus 4 days until we go to Europe. I'm so excited. I feel like I've said that every single vlog, but I literally cannot wait. Today is Thursday and I've just been shooting lots and lots of content so that I can sort of release content even while I'm away and still sort of commit to the 2 videos per week on my YouTube channel. So I'm just shooting. It's like an absolute mess. If you could see, like, all the clothes down here are just, it's just chaos, and I'm responding to emails while I go. I'm shooting as well, and yeah, it's just chaos at the moment. I have not started packing, but this will be my packing vlog, so you guys will see me get ready for Europe and see what I pack. There's a lot of clothes to take, but I'm gonna try to be smart about it and try to pre-plan my outfits and show you guys how I actually do that. And yeah, I'm just gonna get back to shooting content because it's already 2:30 and the light's gonna go in the next couple of hours, and yeah, I'm gonna be stressed otherwise. So I will take you guys along the next couple of days before I fly out. I'm so excited. Talk to you guys soon. Hi everyone, it's actually a little bit later in the day. It's about 2 o'clock and I just finished shooting some content, sending it for approval, and I've got a little bit of time now. Obviously I'm not done with work, but I wanted to take you guys along with me because I need to get my nails done for the holidays. I want to just get, I think the safest option is just to do a French tip and also just get white on my toes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now because it's a Friday. It'll be less busy than tomorrow, so I want to get that done and out of the way. And then what else is left? So I've already done my body laser as well. For everyone asking about laser, I've actually got a YouTube video where I talk about my laser hair removal, and I still do it. I've been doing laser for about 8 years now and I love it. I just know that for my body type, for my sort of hair growth, that laser really does work well for me. No other sort of method really is effective at all. So I mean, you guys may be thinking, then why are you doing it for 8 years? It's just my hormones, my hair growth, that is the best option for me, and it's pain-free to some extent, but I like that it doesn't grow back thicker. I like that it doesn't come as often. And yeah, so I've been doing laser for quite some time. I do like my entire body, my face, so yeah, your girl has been through it all. So I am done with laser. I did it a week early before I went because I didn't want to get burnt, so I did that. That's all good to go. I am going to go to the mall tomorrow and get my eyebrows done and just get them freshened up. I just do threading to my eyebrows, and yeah, I am then on Sunday. So then tomorrow is basically just an all-day sort of packing day for me. I've not even started to figure out what I want to wear, so that is the plan for tomorrow. And then Sunday I've booked in a infrared sauna, I booked in a massage. Actually I might do the massage tomorrow. Yeah, I might do the massage tomorrow, and I've got the infrared sauna on Sunday. Finalizing packing. My parents will come over to say their final goodbyes. I mean, I'm not coming back, but yeah, that will happen. And then I'm also going to self-tan as well because I'm quite pale, so I want to obviously look bronze. And then on Monday we have our flight, so I'm gonna go and do my nails now. It will take me quite some time, and then I'm actually going out tonight with a few of my friends, and I don't think I'm gonna stay out too late. I'm really so tired. Ravi ended up getting sick again, so I've been sleeping on the couch, and yeah, it's not fun. It's really not fun. So I am excited to sleep on a bed tonight and get my sleep back because I'm tired. Anyways, enough rambling. I'm gonna go and I will chat with you guys soon. Hello everyone, it's actually a little bit later. I have come back from the nail salon. I just got some French tips. I hope you guys can see that if my camera wants to focus. There we go. So I just got some French tips, and for my feet I just got white because That's usually what I get when I'm going on holidays, and I love how it just pops against a tan. Now, I told you guys earlier that I was actually headed out for a girls' night, but change of plans. It's just been so rainy, so cold and windy, and I literally do not want to head into the city. And I have then decided to invite everyone to mine, and not only that, but Ravi's friends were here as well. So there's like a whole bunch of people coming over to our apartment, and I've just gotten Ravi and his brother and Karthik to go get food and snacks, and I've just been tidying up the apartment because it's super last minute. But yeah, we still don't have furniture, and I don't know where everyone's gonna sit, but YOLO, it's better than going outside in the cold and freezing. I've made the place a little bit cozy, so let me show you guys. So this is what the apartment's currently looking like. I've just obviously lit the lamp there. We've got candle burning, another candle burning. That is the kitchen, you guys all know, bar cart here, and that is moi. And I've actually decided to put this here, but I still need to decorate this hallway. I literally don't know what's gonna go there. It's basically just a table. Wow, my focus is so bad. It's literally just a table with a lamp on it at the moment. So yeah. But yeah, so keen to have everyone over. It's gonna be fun. I cannot wait. And yeah, I'm just chilling until everyone gets home. So change of plans, and I'm super happy about it because it saves the cold, right? Hello everyone. It's actually been quite some time since I've vlogged. I think the last thing I showed you guys was that I did my nails, and obviously after that I did, what did I do? There was a few things that I had to do. I got my eyebrows done, I tanned my entire body, like self-tan as well, and yeah, Ravi and I went for a massage on the weekend, and then I had sort of done my sauna session, which is what I do on a sort of monthly basis. It's an infrared sauna. It's meant to help with muscle recovery and all of that sort of stuff. So not sure what happened with the lighting there, but I've just fixed it, and I'm so excited because today we are flying out to Europe. We are going to literally order our Uber in the next half an hour and head off to the airport. We're going 5 hours early because it is just chaos, as we all know, and I'm so excited. Like, I've just been packing for the last 24 hours. I finally just finished, and like, let me just show you. I mean, I was going to show you guys the packing process, but everything was just everywhere. I'll show you guys what I sort of packed now though. So these are the 2 bags that I'm taking, and I'm also taking my handbag as well. This will come with me on the flight. And these are my new headphones, which I'm taking as well. So excited. But let's start off with the carry-on here. So I obviously have to take my Invisalign, and I kept this on my carry-on because in case the bigger luggage gets lost, at least I'll have my Invisalign. I've got my makeup as well, which is important because our first stop is Dubai. I've got a change of clothes in Dubai as well, which is handy in case our big luggage gets lost. I've got my skincare. I've got some sleeping clothes for tonight, and I think this is more skincare. And then the sleeve behind this just has my tech stuff in it. So if I open this up, I've just got my tech stuff. I've got a few of my handbags, which I'm taking, and my headphone case as well. Actually, I probably don't need to take the case for this. Actually, yeah, I don't know. I'll see if I have to take the case for this. Probably won't take it, but that is everything in my carry-on. By the way, I just got some Listerine. That's what that looks like. Now, moving on to my big luggage. It's an organized mess at the moment, but I know exactly what's going on here. I've got a lot of clothes that I'm taking. I mean, I'm allowed to take 40 kilos, and I weighed this bag. It's only about 26, which is good. So I've got a lot of dresses because obviously it's really hot in Europe at the moment. I've got all of my dresses and my shorts, my activewear, skirts. I've got, like, you know, sleeping clothes. I've got my beachwear as well. And yeah, I've just got a whole bunch of everything. This is just the clothes aisle, or the section. And then here, I think I've got my self-tan that I'm taking. This is actually like a lifesaver. Ravi ended up actually getting this for us because we tend to have really bad sleep if we don't have our pillows. So we got these pillows for the hotel, and yeah, super excited for this because that just means I won't have to deal with, you know, hotel pillows. Now this is an interesting section. So I've got my blazer here, which I need to pack away. I've got a hat which has already been squished up. I've got some big skincare in here, which won't be allowed to take, which I won't be allowed to take on my carry-on. I've got another bag there. I've got my hair tools. I've taken a straightener, and I've also taken my wave wand as well. And then in here, I believe I've just got like some shoes, more shoes, sneakers, some bags, perfume, my vitamins. Literally, it's like an organized mess, and then a few other bags down there. And we are finally packed. We have 2 large suitcases and 2 smaller ones. And yeah, we're ready to go.
Alright, so this is the lounge that we're actually going to go in. Just taking TikTok content. This is my bag here. But we're so excited. This is our first time traveling in business, so we've never actually been to a lounge. We've never paid for one either. So this is going to be an interesting experience. Alright, let's do this. Thank you. Do we take the lift? This is the coffee machine. And here also got drinks. You're right into it, huh? What's your one?
The vegetable tubing.
Okay. It smells really good. Yeah. Okay. And this is the chicken one. Obviously, I'm gonna get that one. You got some fruit, because you're a good little kid.
So we're currently in the house business lounge waiting for our flight. Ravi's just ordered a coffee and I've ordered myself a red wine. And we're just waiting here for our flight. You guys can't see anything because of the glare.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Hi! Okay, so we've now gotten our bags and we've arrived at the arrivals lounge, which is like the business lounge. Now most times you'll just get it at the departure, but we've got it at the arrivals for Etihad, which is cool. You excited? Yeah, let's go. Alright, got ourselves cozy. This is the arrivals lounge. go check it out. You get coffee. I've got drinks here. Teas. Little breads.